Right. So welcome back to physics class. So today's our topic is motion. Right. So my dear children, please stay on tune. So look at the question. First question: a person sitting in a moving car is at rest with respect to a tree on the ground, a cyclist on the ground, and a building on the roadside. So what is the right answer? Here, a person sitting in a moving car. Here a tree is there. So the car is in motion. If you observe the position of car with respect to tree, the position of the car is changing continuously. That means with respect to tree, the person sitting in a moving car is in motion. So this option is wrong. Next, a cyclist on the road. Here is a cycle and a cyclist. With respect to cyclist on the road also, the person position who is sitting in a moving car is changing continuously. So with respect to cyclist, the person position is changing. So that is also wrong answer. Next, a building on the roadside. With respect to building, the person who is sitting in a moving car position is changing continuously. So that is also wrong answer. So once you observe the car, here the person who is sitting in the car, with respect to car, the person position is not changing. So a person sitting in a moving car is at rest with respect to car. Option 4 is the right answer. Next question, second question. The motion of a wheel, here second question. The motion of a wheel of a cycle is rotatory, rectilinear, translatory and rotatory. See here, my dear. Here it is a wheel. Here the wheel is moving along a straight line. When the wheel is moving along a straight line, here this type of motion is called translatory motion. At the same time, if you observe the wheel is rotating about its own axis. About its own axis. This type of motion is called rotatory motion. That means the motion of the wheel is a combination of translatory and rotatory. Option 3 is the right answer. Next year, third question. Right. A man has to go 50 meter due west, due north, and 40 meter due east, and 20 meter due south to reach a field. His displacement from his house to the field is. Just imagine this is the house. Okay, so from here 50 meter north, so use arrow because displacement is a vector quantity. 50 meter north, so first directions, this is north, south, east, west. From there 40 meter due east, and from there 20 meter due south. See here, this is the field. So displacement means initial position to final position. Here this is the displacement. So this is a displacement. So calculate this one. Already we know very well. Here draw an imaginary line and draw an imaginary line. Here these two are parallel lines. So this is 40 means this is also 40 meter. These two are parallel lines. This is 50 means this is also 50. In this 50 this is 20 and this is 30 meter. Then calculate the displacement. Then draw a right angle triangle. Here then use Pythagoras theorem. From this HF whole square is equal to 40 whole square plus 30 whole square. 40 whole square means this is 1600. 30 whole square means this is 900. So that is equal to 2500 meter square. From this HF is equal to square root of 2500, that is equal to 50 meter. So the displacement of the man is 50 meter. So 50 meter is the right answer. Option 4 is the right answer. Next here one more, that is fourth question. So read the fourth question, my dear. The numerical ratio of displacement for a moving object is. See here, consider this is the initial point and a body moved from here to here. Suppose this is the final point, means final position. Here this is the actual length covered by the body. This is called distance. This is called distance. And see here, my dear children, this is the straight, join a straight line, join a straight line. This is called displacement. Already we know very well, when a body moves along a curved path, distance is greater than displacement. That means here distance is greater than displacement. Suppose distance is 10 meter, displacement is 5 meter. Here ratio from displacement to distance. So write the values and imaginary values. Displacement is 5 meter, distance is 10 meter. That is equal to, meter gets cancelled, 5 on the 5. That is equal to 1 by 2. That is equal to 0.5. 0.5 means it is less than 1. Yes, it is less than 1. Why? Because the ratio, see here distance is a greater one as compared to displacement when a body moves along a curved path. If denominator value is greater, the ratio is always less than 1. So your answer is less than 1. But if a body moves along a straight line, suppose if a body moves along a straight line, suppose here A to B, body moves along a straight line. In this situation, suppose this is 5 meter. In this situation, distance, S means distance. Distance is denoted by letter S. S is 5 meter and displacement, magnitude of displacement is also 5 meter. Then displacement by distance is equal to 1. That means when a body moves along a straight line, the ratio of displacement to distance equal to 1. When a body moves along a curved path, displacement distance ratio is less than 1. So the option is equal to or less than 1. Option 4 is the right answer. Clear? Is it clear to everyone? My dear children, I am audible? Okay. Let's hear next question. A monkey is moving on a circular path of radius 80 meter. If the monkey starts at one end of the diameter and reaches the other end, see, just draw a circle of radius 80 meter. Right, this point is A. Suppose if the monkey starts at one end and reaches the other end, so diametrically, here this point is diametrically opposite. So it reaches other end B. Then calculate displacement. Here displacement means straight line from initial to final. The shortest distance from initial position to final position. So this is a displacement. So this is 80 means this is also 80. Then displacement, that means magnitude of displacement is equal to 80 meter plus 80 meter, that is equal to 160 meter. Then displacement is what 160. Then distance means here A to B, this is the displacement, sorry, this is the distance. So distance means the actual length of the path covered by the body. So this is distance. Already we know very well, if one complete revolution, the circumference of the circle is equal to 2 pi r. But here the monkey covers only half of the path. So 2 pi r by 2, that is equal to pi r. Here distance equal to pi r in the place of r, write 8. So distance equal to 80 pi, displacement equal to 160 meter. So displacement is 160 meter and distance is 80 pi meter. So option 2 is the right answer. Next question. Here sixth question. In which of the following case of motions the distance moved and the magnitude of displacement are equal? Here the distance and magnitude of displacement are equal. When it is possible? It is possible when a body moves along a straight line. When a body moves along a straight line. Here for example, If a body moves from A to B, the distance is 5 meter. Distance is 5 meter. Then the displacement, magnitude of displacement is also 5 meter. That means observe the options. If the car is moving on straight road, yes, if the car is moving on straight road, distance and magnitude of displacement are equal. If the car is moving in circular path, distance and magnitude of displacement are equal? No. So option 1 is the right answer. Next one, seventh question. A body moved from one end to another end along a curved path of a quarter cycle. The ratio of distance to displacement is. Here first, here draw a circle, right? So here R is the radius. This is the initial position of the body A. Right here, the body moves from A to B. A to B. See another. Only quarter cycle means the body covered this much length. This is the actual length covered by the body. This is distance. Already we know very well, for one complete circle the distance is equal to 2 pi r. But here body covered only quarter circle, that means 1 by 4th of it. That is 2 pi r into 1 by 4. 2 1 ja 2 2 ja. That is equal to pi r by 2. So this is distance. Then find displacement. Displacement means the shortest distance from initial position to final position. This is displacement. Already we know this is R, this is R. Then calculate this one. Then use, this is a right angle triangle, this is A, this is B, this is R, this is R. Then use Pythagoras theorem. That is AB whole square is equal to R square plus R square, that is equal to 2R square. From this AB is equal to root 2R square, that is root 2R. So this AB is nothing but a displacement. Then the ratio of distance to displacement is distance is pi r by 2 and displacement is root 2r. So that is pi r by 2 into root 2r. R gets cancelled. That is pi by 2 root 2. So option 1 is the right answer. Clear, my dear children? So check your answers. Check your answers, my dear children. You have to show your answers. You will get a call and you have to come and you have to show your answers. Based on your performance, next year there is a shuffling test is there. Based on your performance, the sections are divided into according to your performance. Let's go to 8th question. Here a ball is thrown up with a certain velocity. It attains a height of 40 meter and comes back to the thrower. Just imagine you are a thrower, you thrown a ball with certain velocity and it cover a height of 40 meter and come back to the thrower. So what is the displacement? So check your options. The first option is the total distance covered by it is 40 meter. No, the total distance here. So when it is going up 40 meter, while it is coming down 40 meter. So distance is a scalar quantity. So the total distance covered by the body is 80 meter. It is not 40 meter. Next, total displacement covered by it is 80 meter. No, here enough. This is the initial position and it attains a height of 40 meter and again comes back to the thrower. And this is the final position. So initial position and final position are at same point. There is no change in position. So the displacement of the body is 0. That means the total displacement of the body is 0. It is not total displacement of the body is 80 meters. It is wrong answer. Total displacement of the body is 0. Option 3 is the right answer. Next here, ninth question. Ninth question. A body moves on 3/4 of a circle of radius r. Here a body moves. Here must divide this into 4 parts. Suppose this is the initial point. A body moves on 3/4. This is the first quarter, the second quarter, this is the 3/4. That means body moves from A to here. A to here. This point is B. Then the displacement. Here displacement means shortest distance. That means draw a straight line from A to B. This is a displacement. already we calculated this is r, this is r, means this is equal to root 2 r. So the displacement is root 2 r, and find the distance. Already we know very well, if body covers quarter circle, this is pi r by 2, and this is also quarter, this is also pi r by 2, this is also quarter, this is also pi r by 2. So the total distance covered by is 3 pi r by 2. So 3 pi r by 2 is the distance, and displacement is root 2 r. So check the options. Displacement is root 2 r and distance is 3 pi r by 2. So option 2 is the right answer. Okay. Then next 10th question. My dear children, 10th question. So look at the board. 10th question. Right. For the motion on a straight line path with constant acceleration, the ratio of magnitude of displacement to the distance covered by is. For the motion on a straight line path, that means the body moves along a straight line. Suppose A to B. Suppose this length is 5 meter. Then the magnitude of displacement is, here displacement means the shortest distance from initial position to final position, it is 5 meter, and distance is also 5 meter, so that is equal to 1. That means the ratio is equal to 1. So option 1 is the right answer.